Hey everybody, Grizz here. How's everybody doing? I just want to get you guys caught up here on sort of what's been going on. It's finally the time, a little later than usual, where I want to be at this time of year, but starting more of the fun projects and setting up stuff for molds for the winter here, doing a bit of my own stuff. So what I'm starting here is a rework on a existing base for a bird bath, and I think a few of you probably recognize this. It's from the Distinctive molds, ABS molds, and the problem, Guns got one with a really nice seam, but the problem with some of these ones, they have really big ugly seams on them. So before I get going on what I want to do with it, it's going to be a leaf applique, some sort of a swirling sort of effect with leaves going up the base, and maybe a vine. But what I want to do is get rid of the seam here. So what I've done on this side is sort of excavated the site with the Dremel there, going down below the plane of the base, so I can get some plaster on here. I picked the ugliest one I had on purpose, so it can get some plaster rework on it. There's lots of bug holes and stuff on here. So you can see on this side that the seam is still exposed. So all I did is just come along with anyway, you can see that can go pretty fast. If you didn't have a Dremel, you could probably get really aggressive and get like an angle grinder and just with a concrete piece on it there and do a quick skiff across the top. I just want to make it level and do some plaster work on it there. And this little cradle keeps it easy for doing work on it while I'm adding the appliques and stuff. So I'll show you what else I got on the go here. So I'll kind of show the process here too. This originally was going to be a bird bath, but what's happened this year is I've sold all of my sort of big show pieces out of the store, so I'm really lacking for some of my bigger colored pieces. So I'm going to be doing a paint on this one and a paint on this one. The two popular ones I'll do, it's sort of a terracotta base, this one, then lots of dry brushing. Same with this one here, would be lime greens. So I'll sort of show the steps through the whole process, the first coat and the second wash, and then the dry brushing technique that I use on these guys here. Sort of go step by step for everybody to see, and also I'll keep step by step on that base over there too. So some of the other stuff, there's a test piece I got going on here. A bit bigger than the one I made last year. It's just the start. It's going to have like three-dimensional leaves on it. I'm going to be trying a different style of this same piece in a bit, and I might make my buddy, the Countertop Bud, he makes these here. These are just half pieces. It's the architectural concrete he does. This stuff is like bulletproof, but we might do a co-op here because he's got some GFRC stuff coming. And I might make a full scale, like a 4x8 or a 3x6 of one of these, and do a mold of it this winter, and then we'll be able to do like a GFRC thin one, like for a full wall piece. It's something I've always wanted to do, even beforehand with meeting him, but he's quite excited about how it's starting to turn out. So we can sort of both visualize these full panels, and we're going to sort of explore some different options with it. So anyway, I'll keep everybody posted as we go along. I got a few other leaf applique things I want to do this summer as well, but I'll keep everybody posted and keep looking for new vids. Okay, everybody, see ya.